Hello, this is Rima and you are here again on my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to see you. So, I hope you already watched the video about fingering because many things which we will talk about will be based on that video. So, I just advise you to watch that video. So, let's talk today about notes on the violin, specifically first position notes. And you will see an improvement in your playing skill. So, as you already know, we have on violin 4 strings: G, D, A, E. And when we put our fingers on the fingerboard, we actually play different notes. And if you know just basic pattern for the notes, it would be easy for you to know what note you are playing. What I mean about basic pattern, so C, D, E, F, G, A, B. It's like alphabet. So, but you start from C, and after G you say A, B. So let's start then. I would like to start today from the 4th string. 4th string is the G3. So let's remember our pattern. After G goes, yes, right, A. So when I put my first finger in the first position on the G string, I play note A. When I put my second finger, I play B, right? Okay, when we put then third finger, it will be C, as in our pattern. Actually, when we say C, D, E, F, G, A, B, after B will be again C. So that's why after B we will play again, we will put our third finger and it will be C. Then, oh, actually, let me mention you about 4th finger, something specific. When we put our 4th finger on G, D, and A string, it will be the pitch of the next open string. What I mean? When you put your 4th finger on G string, it's the pitch of open D. So when we put our 4th finger on D string, it's the pitch of open A, and the same for A string. When we put 4th finger, it's pitch of open E. So let's go back on the G string and then we will talk about other strings again. And you have to remember that all these notes which I mentioned now, they are natural. So G, A, B, C, D. Now we will talk about D string. It's the 3rd string. D, E, and attention here, second finger will be F sharp. Then 3rd finger G, 4th finger A, pitch of the open string A. On the string A, first finger B, again, A, B, C, D, E. That's all, easy. First finger B, second finger with space, C sharp. Then D, 3rd finger without space, 4th finger, as I mentioned already, it's E, pitch of open E string. And then open E, first finger, attention, F sharp, second finger G sharp, 3rd A, and 4th B. So all these things are based on the alphabet, I would say. So if you will learn that pattern, it would be easy for you to understand which note goes after each note. And also, just small tip, if you will remember all the strings, name of all the strings, it would be easier for you to find the name of the note with any finger. For example, let's practice. On A string, that string, what note will we play with 3rd finger? So let's practice. A, B, C sharp, D. Right. So if you will know that pattern, it would be easy. Sorry. So many times I said about that, but it's very important. As I said from the beginning, it's very important to watch video about fingering because I mentioned how exactly to put fingers on the fingerboard and in which positions. So and it will help you to understand this exactly video more. And also check my video about sharps and flats on the violin. It will help you as well to understand why I say here F sharp or here G sharp. I will see you then in my future videos. Bye! If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.